19వ రోజు పార్లమెంటు వర్షాకాల సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
सभी दलों के नेताओं से चर्चा की, विचार विमर्श किया, व्यक्तिगत भी की, सामूहिक भी की. मेरा आज फिर आपसे आग्रह है कि आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस भी है और विश्व स्तर पर भारत के युवाओं ने शिक्षा, विज्ञान, अंतरिक्ष, विज्ञान, टेक्नोलॉजी, उद्यमिता कई क्षेत्रों के अंदर विशेष पहचान बनाई है. आज उनका सामर्थ्य के कारण भारत का नाम दुनिया में भारत का नाम हो रहा है. देश का युवा भी चाहता है कि उनके विषयों पर चर्चा हो, छात्रों पर चर्चा हो. सरकार ने भी सहमति दे दी है. गृह मंत्री जी भी अपने वक्तव्य को देने को तैयार हैं. चर्चा हो, अन्य मुद्दों पर भी चर्चा होगी. सत्ता पक्ष और प्रतिपक्ष दोनों सहमति बनाएं, विचारों को विमर्श करें. लोकतंत्र में आपस में सहमति बनती है. मेरा आप सबसे आग्रह, पुनः आग्रह, निवेदन है, देश की भावनाओं को समझना चाहिए. देश चाहता है संसद चले, संवाद हो, चर्चा हो और इसकी प्रतिष्ठा बनाने की जिम्मेदारी भी सामूहिक सबकी है. मेरा आपसे आग्रह रहता हमेशा कि संसद की प्रतिष्ठा को मत गिरने दो. मतभेद हो सकते हैं लेकिन संसद की प्रतिष्ठा को इस तरीके से तख्तियां, नारेबाजी से गिरना उचित नहीं है. आप सब वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, देश का नेतृत्व करते हैं. बालू जी, आप सीनियर लीडर हैं. मैं आपको अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने का अवसर दूंगा. मेरा मत है कि प्रश्नकाल चलने दें. प्रश्नकाल के बाद आपको अपने विचारों को अभिव्यक्त करने का अवसर पर्याप्त दूंगा. प्रश्नकाल में चलने दें. आप तख्तियां लेकर सदन पे बैठे अपनी अपनी सीट पे विराजें. आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, मेरे बार बार आग्रह करने के बाद भी आप सदन में गतिरोध कर रहे हैं, ये लोकतंत्र के लिए उचित नहीं है. सदन की कार्रवाई आज 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है.
One report, volumes 1 and 2, English and Hindi versions of the inquiry committee constituted under the Judges Inquiry Act 1968 in respect of Mr. Justice Yash.
ज्ञान भारत मिशन, ज्ञान भारत मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट का सत्यापन कर उन्हें ज्योग्राफिकल टैगिंग सहित एक राष्ट्रीय डेटाबेस में दर्ज किया गया है जो कि संस्कृति मंत्रालय से संबंधित है. इस रिपोर्ट की प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूं.
रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ द पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी, श्रीमान अखिलेश प्रसाद सिंह जी इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. डॉक्टर के लक्ष्मण जी.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध लोक लेखा समिति 2026-27 के प्रतिवेदन संख्या 54 और 55 के हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल रखता हूं. धन्यवाद.
Reports of the department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing, Dr. Anil सुखदेव राव बोंडे जी.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कृषि, पशुपालन और खाद्य प्रसंस्करण संबंधी स्थायी समिति 2025-2026 के 39वें, 40वें, 41वें, 42वें, 43वें, 44वें 45वें और 46वें प्रतिवेदनों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति 2025-2026 के 39वें, 40वें, 41वें, 42वें, 43वें, 44वें, 45वें और 46वें प्रतिवेदनों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Statements of the department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing, Dr. Anil Sukhdev Rao Bondeji.
Respected sir, I rise to lay a copy of statements, Hindi and English version, showing further action taken by the government on 23rd, 24th, 26th, 35th, 35th, 37th, 38th action taken reports of the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing 2025 and 26 as listed against my name at serial number 6 in today's list of business. Thank you.
Report of the department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, Sriman Sajat Agman Kichluji.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each in Hindi and English of 29th report of department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Final action taken statements of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittalji.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. With your kind permission, I rise to lay a copy each of the final action taken statements, Hindi and English version, of the government on the recommendations contained in Chapter 1 and 5 of the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th report, 18th Lok Sabha of the Standing Committee on Defence as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Dr. Dinesh Sharma ji.
धन्यवाद माननीय सभापति महोदय। मैं आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के समक्ष यथा उल्लिखित वित्त संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 3 प्रतिवेदनों की एक एक प्रति हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Statement of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Dr. Dinesh Sharma ji.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध वित्त संबंधी स्थायी समिति के एक विवरण हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखना चाहता हूं।
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sriman Sunilal Garasia ji.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध पेट्रोलियम और प्राकृतिक गैस संबंधी स्थायी समिति 18वीं लोकसभा के 8वें और 9वें प्रतिवेदनों हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Sriman Ramji ji.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of the 25th report, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2025-26 as listed against my name at serial number 12 in today's list of business. Thank you.
Matters raised with permission. I'm calling him. You please take your seat. Yes, John Betta ji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, it is with a heavy heart I raise this matter because it's a question of the garima of this house, prestige and honor. And it's a bipartisan issue. Let me just tell at the outset, I'm a proud Indian, South Indian, and of course a proud Malayali, sir.
There is no South Indian, North Indian. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
problem, you tell me?
Sir.
We all are Indians only.
Please allow me, sir. I would certainly say that the biggest takeaway would be the sterling diversity, which holds the unity of this nation in a unique way. That would be my takeaway. Sir, the other day, a honorable member who I hold in high esteem, let me just say, that member came here and was disturbing me when I was fulfilling my obligation as a mover of a statutory resolution. Sir, please. And, sir,
Please take your seat. I'm coming
Yes,
back to you.
please.
I'm
Sir.
coming back.
Sir, the verbal duel is okay, we fight each other. But she repeatedly called me Lungi Wala, Lungi Wala.
Now I will make Jan Betaji, I will make my observation. I am making my observation. Please, Baidi, I will make my observation. Jan Betaji, you take your seat. I will make my observation. Everybody should take their seat. Aranji, you please take your seat. Let me make my observation. Please, let me make my observation, please. Let me make my observation. Please take your seat. Honorable members. No. Jan Betaji, please you take your seat. I am making my observation. Now you please take your seat. After you please take your seat after hearing my observation. If you have any objection, you can. I will give you, please. Honorable Minister for the Parliamentary Affairs. In this you all should see it. When the minister is on his legs, you should take your seat. Now, 1 minute. Let the members take their seat. They should have some basic discipline. When the minister is on his legs, they should take their seat.
Sir, in this August House, every honorable member is equal. We are all equal Indians.
Please take your seat. After hearing it, if you have any objection, you can raise it afterwards. No, you please take your seat. Let the minister answer to it. Then you can have.
Yes, sir. If there is anything which is objectionable or which is unbecoming of the character of the nation or the dignity of the House, I would like to request Honorable Chairman to call the member to your chamber and listen what happened, because I am not witness to whatever Honorable Member John
Nobody is
saying.
witness, but we have to take that.
We will.
Secretary, you please take your seat. Please, you take your seat. Sir, you take your seat.
Sir, my request is, you can call the concerned person, the honorable member, and hear them out. And whatever you decide.
Yes. Let me make my observation.
Unity of this nation.
Let me make my observation. Honorable, if you are shouting, then I cannot. Let me make my observation. Let me make my observation. If you are having any objection, you can raise it again. I will give you the opportunity. Please take your seat. Honorable members, certain instances have come to my notice regarding discourteous and undignified comments being made by members, interrupting the speech of other members in the House. I would advise that honorable members should be very careful not to hurt the sentiments and the feelings of fellow members. Our culture is unique. No. Why you are shouting? No. I'm not going to allow you. Please take your seat. Let me complete my observation. You don't have the patience. advise the honorable members should be careful not to hurt the sentiments of the feelings of fellow members. Please take your seat, and you please take your seat. You are inducing the new member to shout. This is the way you want to. When I am making my observation, after my observation you can raise your hand so that I can give you the opportunity. I would advise the honorable members should be careful not to hurt the sentiments and the feelings of fellow members. Our culture is unique and it is inclusive of diverse regional cultures. There should be no disrespect to the cultural traditions and the regional identities of our colleagues. I will invite the honorable members concerned to my chamber shortly and I will sort it out. Now, श्रीमान सतनाम सिंह सांधू जी।
थैंक यू सर। मैं पंजाब दी आन बान ते शान शेरे पंजाब महाराजा
I have already given my ruling here.
मुद्दा
If anybody wants to say anything, you can come to my chamber.
चेयरमैन साहब,
Anybody want to express their feelings, I am inviting every member to come to my chamber.
दरिया सतलुज के किनारे रोपड़ शहर में स्थित है। इस स्थान पे महाराजा रणजीत सिंह जो
Nothing will go on recorded. श्रीमान सतनाम सिंह सांधू
महाराजा रणजीत सिंह ते लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिंग ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਿਕ ਸੰਧੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ।